Hey, guess what time it is? It's officially Monday, it's Labor Day, and I decided after a long time, I nuked my old Tumblr, like my art Tumblr. I still have my reblog one. I honestly never use Tumblr anymore, but I kind of forgot it existed, and the old one, no one could literally see it. At least on my desktop I couldn't see it because I had the, like, not safe for work thing happen, because I had this Tumblr back when I did a lot of not safe for work art. I really don't do it that much anymore, but, you know, whatever. But yeah, I just thought I'd have it as a placeholder, so that way, like, if other people try to, like, come in and, like, make one, it will officially just be mine, if that makes sense. It's kind of like what I did with art foil. But yeah, I also pre-packaged all the Patreon stuff. I just wait for the stickers and the prints to come in, which I'm excited about. But I'm listening to a video about Fallout 3, or this one's New Vegas, because I really like those games, and am I the only one who really likes these, like, video game analysis videos, or is it, like, I mean, I know I'm not alone, because, like, look at the views on that video. Look at the views. I know it's a year old, but I don't care. That's a Slorby video. Anyway, I'm currently in my underwear, which is why I'm not, like, flipping the camera around, but this weekend was fun. We had the aquarium date. I talked in a previous, well, actually it'll be the vlog that goes up today. I talked about how everything going on kind of, like, sucked and we had a family member pass away. Well, that family member's wife actually came out and we actually got to go to dinner with her, which was really nice. I was really nice seeing Aunt Pud and going out to dinner, and just being able to talk to her and see how things are going. And she's not doing too well because, well, her husband of, 50 years died. So, but I was really happy we got to see her. I know it helped her a lot. We had a nice dinner, and other than that, we just kind of chilled at home. But because my sleep schedule is a disaster, ha 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 ha, nothing ironic about that. I decided that today is going to be the day where I clean and do laundry, because I did everything else. I did packaging orders, emails, clearing stuff, filling out my Google Sheets, reorganizing things, and I'm like, you know what, yeah, let's just do the laundry finally. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I ended up sleeping, and then we saw Input, and we did the vlog, but yada yada. I'm rambling at this point. I am gonna go to bed, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Hello to the world and internet. I got a little wax sealing kit. And honey, what are you doing, honey?
Making myself anxious as always.
Why?
Because we're buying a car.
Yes, because I am a supportive wife.
Well, we're buying an SUV.
Oh, yeah, but it's gonna be your daily, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, I finally have one of those cool little kindlings, and I'm gonna put it in my bullet journal, and I'm very excited. I did a stream today, and I got 3 Patreon rewards done, so far doing really well. I pre-packaged all of my Patreon envelopes for September. I have to wait for the prints and the stickers to get here, but even then I can mail off the ones that are just stickers once the stickers come in. But yeah, so far it seems like a good Monday, holiday, Labor Day. What do you say, hon? So it is now Tuesday officially. It is 1:43 a.m. I'm having a hyper night. I literally can't sleep. So I didn't finish Harry Potter when I wanted, mostly because, life happened. But I did finally get tabs, so I'm one of the cool people now, and I tabbed it, so I'm actually having a lot of fun, like, annotating it this time around and getting to write notes and stuff. Like, I've actually written notes down. And I can finally see what people are talking about when it's books you love, because I don't know. I've kind of had the same problem that a lot of people do, where, like, because of how the internet is nowadays, like, unless you really have audiobooks and stuff, or ebooks, I don't know, rereading just isn't as, like, encouraged as, like, you know, see how many things you can consume as you possibly can. And that kind of sucks. Like, I know it sounds bad, but I finally get it. And doing this made me feel, like, really happy, because this is something I was never able to figure it out before, and now I figured out what I have to do is, I have to do it with books I really enjoy, see if I liked it, why I liked it, you know, and obviously, I do still like books, and I like taking care of books, but honestly, if it's a cheap paperback I got at a thrift store, I don't really mind. Ooh. Sorry, my friend Kaylee just posted her vlog, so I was gonna watch it. But yeah, honestly, seeing the tabs and everything makes me feel really, really nice. So yeah, I'm on the Quidditch game for the first one, so I'm on page 181. But I don't feel like reading anymore. Like, I'm not tired, but I just don't feel like reading anymore. So I'm gonna watch my friend Kaylee's vlog, charge my pen, and maybe draw. We'll see where the night takes us. So it is Tuesday. I am having tuna sandwich and tomato and basil spoop. It is dark because Cody doesn't like living with lights on in the house for some reason. I packaged 3 orders from my store because today's the last day of the shop, and I'm doing the watch along with the Nothing Scares Us podcast. And Cody, what are you watching? They can't see you. The couch blocks it. You want to say anything, honey?
No.
They couldn't see anything. Yes, honey? Yeah.
I don't feel comfortable with it.
I've realized that you guys must be really bored with my vlogs because 90% of them take place at my work desk because that's where I do literally all of my work. But I wanted to show you, I'm currently playing Midnight Rank, or 2 a.m. rank. My stickers for September came in. Before anybody asks, I got them through Sticker App. And I wanted to try something different, and I really, really love how it came out. I'm definitely going to do this more in the future with, like, specialty stickers. I love doing the stickers at home, don't get me wrong, but this does slap to it. Now, I really wanted to find a place originally that did, like, colored glitters. So far, the ones I've looked into, they don't offer proofs, and I don't trust that. I know, sorry, call me lame, but they also gave me so many extras, so I'm happy that I don't sell them at my store and I sell them at cons, so I'm gonna have some nice chunky con stock because, yeah. But they came out really cute. They're waterproof and weatherproof if you're a patron, and if you subscribe to any of the $5 or $10 tiers, then you will also get one because I get them in advance. I don't gatekeep for the stickers, so literally you won't get a print because the prints are already ordered and they're going to be coming in the mail soon for the print club. But yeah, so I love this Frankenstein design so much. I put one on my water bottle, but I already packed up the sticker reward because I got myself a cool little wax sealing kit because I've always loved those videos, and I got myself a little kiln. I did not know, though, that the sealing wax is like the wax used in glue guns, so it's really, really sticky, and which is good, because, like, this is a really nice, you know, thank you that I was able to pull off, but, and I like the clicky noise, but, it gets really stringy when I try to, like, pour it and stamp it. I don't know, the TikToks lied to me. They made it look so easy, but yeah, I was thinking about doing them for the print pack this month, but I realized they're getting like 5 prints, so I don't know if the envelope's going to be too thick. Because if the envelope's too thick, I need to add extra stamps, and I am currently all out of stamps, so I don't want to mail them off and have them literally all mailed back to me. But we'll see. We'll see how it looks and how I feel about it. Because I really, really wanted to do that for them, because I thought it would be really neat. And normally it wouldn't matter, But, yeah. So, oh, actually, speaking of... Hold on a second. Oh my god! She's back! We had a match last game with me and the Pirate Emma. Holy crap, and she even said hi again. I've never had that happen, where it's the same people back to back. And Lollipop! What the heck? I played with them too!
Hungry boy, he's a thickness, he's a croy. He's a pancake like a mix. He's Aunt Jemima, he's better than this.
Okay, so Cody was messing with some voice changer things that he downloaded to my computer, and he said he fixed it, and it was fine, and I was like, okay, so I unplugged my headset. Are you ready for this? Because I hate it so much, and I don't know how to turn it off. Hello? Hi, how are you? I'm in hell. So it is 10 in the morning, you know what that means? It's ranked time. And I am tired. Well, actually, no, not really. I'm not tired at all. I woke up really early because I had a terrible migraine that just would not go away no matter what I did. So here I am, just here and now. So yeah, I'm gonna play some rank. And oh, it's the 9th. I guess I should say that it's the 9th. And then tomorrow we're getting Cody's car. But I also need to hit the post office at some point. I have 2 packages I need to mail out. Because one needs tracking for the stupid Etsy thing that's going on. But other than that, what's my thing at? 14. I can risk waiting. I have a pen order that I need to mail out too. So, yeah, it's gonna be my plan. But I didn't get my badge. I don't know if I talked about that. I got my badge. I want to get a B badge for Kurt, but I got a badge for Kurt, and I still have my badge for Mr. Smiley. So, you know, it's the little things.
There's a drive-thru!
Oh, she's panicking. Oh my god! So, this is now the second Starbucks we've been to?
Well, this one's the
second.
We're going to our
Yeah,
turn
because we
now.
tried going to Unflattering Angle, everybody.
It's
I'm just a thumb.
It's fine.
I'm just a thumb. It's fine. I got my head touched up by the beach here.
Hello.
She fixed my undercut. But yeah, we went to a very sketchy looking Starbucks, and when we parked, we were like, you know, how about no?
Oh, I don't like this. We're just gonna go new.
We're just gonna go new?
Yep, we're gonna go new.
So we're gonna go find another Starbucks. And then she's like, oh, screw it, we'll go get Starbucks when we get Barnes & Noble. I'm like, but you can't, because of the masks and everything, we can't drink it in the Starbucks. And there was the one, she's like,
No, I said blech.
blech. Yeah, blech.
Which?
So we are in my friend Kira's car. We all spent way too much money.
We got a stroller spoiled.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we doing a book haul? All right, let's go with Kira first. Let's go.
Book haul. I got Axiom's End.
It's Lindsay Ellis's book.
Lindsay Ellis' sci-fi sexy book.
Yeah.
And Adventure Zone. That's new one.
Oh, so it's a new one.
That's the newest one, Crystal Kingdom.
Oh, okay.
And it's pink, so. And I got Jim Butcher at her recommendation. And it looks really cool. And then, finally, I got Nier Automata, the Yorha Boys.
Yeah.
And, yeah, that's it.
And then we got...
And then we have a punny bookmark.
Oh, you bought the old bookmark!
Nice.
I've been on a Junji Ito kick, so I spent also far too much money and got to more.
Are those only 2 you got?
That's all I got.
Okay, and then for me... Oh, can you hold the camera?
Yes.
Have fun. I look disgusting, so enjoy the sweaty musk of me. So I got the 3rd book in the Nevernight trilogy, which I really like. I got the Hazelwood, which I've just recommended. I've seen all over like Book Talk and BookTube and stuff, and I wanted to read it. It's like a 3-year-old book, so excited about that. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a portal fantasy, so it's like so think of it like Peter Pan, kind of like you know, like you go to a different place. Yeah,
Nice.
and then I got the second Serpent and Dove book. I got Blood and Honey, but I got the paperback because I'm also a person when I start a series in a thing, I have to like finish my collection in the thing.
Yep.
And I started it in paperback, so I was waiting for the next paperbacks, and that's what I got. But I also got, because I'm basic, that apple crisp macchiato. I was on the fence. It's delicious. This thing tastes like an apple pie.
It tastes like you're licking Autumn's butt.
You know, yeah. Yeah.
Not wrong. You know?
It's not.
His
So
chapped ass.
Yep. And what are we gonna do once we get back?
We're gonna watch Owl House.
Yes,
Aw,
we
yeah.
is. So that's our Friday. Well, not mine done yet, because after all of
You got
that,
more to do.
yeah, after all of that, then we're dying in our car because the AC's not on. But
There you go.
yeah, yeah. After we hang out for a bit, I have to help Cody get a new car and then go home. So and then do laundry. So that's my life. But yeah. So we are in East LA, and that is Cody's new car. He got the I think it's a 2009 or 2012 Xterra. I don't know. It's some kind of Xterra. I don't know cars. You think I would? But yeah. So I get to take the Lexus home. And Cody is going to go to his friend's house with his new car. So I am very tired because I had a very busy day, but it's been a lot of fun. And yeah, this will be my future car in like a week or two, because this is what we're going to be passing down. So my old car is going to be Gonzo, which means I can get my passenger skeleton that I've wanted to get for a while. So hello, I'm trying to make sure it doesn't reflect, because I'm not currently wearing clothes. But, well, I mean, I'm wearing clothes, but I'm in my underwear, because I just woke up. Anyway, and if not, you're just going to be seeing a blank screen if I realized I do reflect in it. But the prince came. I know it's really dark, but it's like currently 4 a.m. So, the prince came for Patreon, so I decided I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to pack my print packages. That'll be the start of next week's vlog, because I'm currently very energetic, and I've decided I'm going to do everything I'm supposed to do today that I've been putting off forever, because it finally hit me that I'm at my breaking point. So, I'm going to pack these orders, get them all set up to go, and then I'm going to be doing laundry. And then while I'm doing my laundry, because I have to do it in spurts because I don't have a unit in my house, I'm going to reorganize my bookcases, because I went to Barnes & Noble and bought more books because I have a problem. But yeah, that way when you guys have the opener to next week, they're going to have the cleaning montage, the packing montage, and brain. Starting off with me and my friend Anna going to see Labyrinth, because we're seeing Labyrinth. I'm recording this on Sunday, but for you guys it'll be a week later. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.